Today we're taking a look at the ScanLogic Audit. This is part of the ScanLogic series. We're going to take a look at the ability to delete one user. So I've enrolled in this lock 3 users, the administrator, ID 02 and ID 03. I could enroll up to 30 different users in this particular lock. But I'm going to show you today how to delete a user. So the first thing you do is open the lock with administrative fingerprint. Once the lock opens, it'll move to a menu screen that says Select Menu. Now I can press the up or down buttons. I'll press the up button a couple of times to get to delete one user and press OK. Now it'll ask me, which user do I want to delete? ID 02? No. Press up to ID 03 and then I press OK. It asks me to confirm. I press OK. And now ID 03 has been deleted. That user fingerprint is now removed from the system. That's how easy it is to delete a fingerprint from the ScanLogic series.